How to find profile view. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your profile view, people who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. You're gonna find icon beside those three lines up there. Click on it. And here you're gonna find a list of all the people who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. Every single of them will appear here, and only you can see this list. And this is it. I think if you want to have this option, you have to go to settings and click on manage account and switch to a business account to see analytic and profile view. Easy and quick. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.